Bases. What are bases? See, let us read the definition of basis. The number 10 to the power of n, where n is any natural number, is called as base or real base. Base is also called as real base. See, 10 to the power of n. So 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 are real bases. Now let us understand what is subbase. The number a multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where a and n, see, a and n are natural numbers, a is greater than 1, is called as subbase or working base. So 20, 30, 500, 700, 9000 are subbases or working bases. Real bases. Real bases. Numbers like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 are called as real bases. That means the numbers which are expressed in the form of 10 to the power of n, where n is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Because see, this 10 is 10 to the power of 1, this 100 is 10 to the power of 2, this 1000 is 10 to the power of 3, this 10,000 is 10 to the power of 4. These numbers are called as real bases. And what are subbases? Working bases. See, subbases are also called as working bases. Let me write here working bases. Okay, working bases. See friends, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 such numbers are called as real bases, and multiples of these numbers are called as working bases. For 10, see, for 10 multiples are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. For 100 multiples are 200, 300, 400 and so on. For 1000 multiples are 2000, 3000, 4000 and so on. Okay, see, 4000 and so on. So these multiples of real bases, are called as working bases. These multiples are expressed as a multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where a and n are natural number. See, for example, if it is 200 is expressed in the form of 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2, 2 multiplied by 100. Okay, so this 2 is a and this 2 is n. Correct? So let us repeat. Numbers like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 are called as real bases, and multiples of real bases are called as working bases. Correct? If you are given a number 108, let me ask you, what is nearest real base for the given number 108? It is 100. Correct? Because 100 is the only base figure or base number which is nearest to the given number 108. Is 10 nearest to 108? No. Is 1000 nearest to 108? No. 100 is nearest to 108. So we say that 100 is nearest base for given number 108. If it is 1012, then what is nearest base, real base for the given number 1012? Obviously it is 1000. 1000 is nearest real base for the given number 1012. If it is 212, if the given number is 212, then what is nearest base for the given number 212. 212. See, this 212 is not closer to any real base like 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So you have to find nearest working base for the given number 2012. 200. 200 is nearest working base for the given number 212. This 200, which is nearest working base for the given number 212, is 2 multiple of 100, and 100 is real base. 200 is working base. We say that nearest working base for the given number 212 is 200, and real base for the given number 212 is 100. Correct? See, next example, if it is 983, okay, if 983 is number and you are asked find nearest base. See, 983 is closer to 1000, or we may say that 1000 is closer to 983. So 1000 is nearest real base for the given number 983, right? If it is 2051, what is nearest base for the given number 2051? It is of course 2000, because this 2051 is not closer to any real base. For that we have to find nearest working base, and nearest working base for the number 2051 is 2000. 2000 is nothing but 2 multiple of 1000. Okay, and we say that 2000 is nearest working base for the given number 2051, and 1000 is nearest real base for the given number 2051. So in this way we can find working base, real base for the given numbers.